Dear viewers, how are you? How are you, my dear students? I hope you are all well by the grace of Almighty Allah. You know, we have passed a very crucial time. COVID-19 dismissed our regular activities, that means our regular classes. So, stay home and safe and follow our online class. Dear student, look at the whiteboard. What can you see? Here, Nadim and Naim are two brothers. Naim is younger than Nadim. Their father, who works as a teacher, both Nadim and Naim read in the same school named Nalta High School. Here, and Dan, who both an and. What is this, you know? Is it a conjunction or connector? Yes, it is a connector. So, today's topic is sentence connector. Sentence connector. Okay. So, at first, do you know what is connector or sentence connector? A sentence connector is a word that connects words in a sentence. Sentence connector is a word that connects words in a sentence. For a better understanding, we can say in the another way, a sentence connector joins or connects words, phrase, clauses and sentence together. Okay. A sentence connector connects or joins words, phrase, clause and sentence together. Okay. Now, come to the point. List of connector. List of connector. First of all, conjunction. Conjunction. There are a lot of conjunction here. As, if, since, though, although, as if, no sooner had, no sooner had, no sooner dash than, hardly dash when, not only, but also. Okay. A lot of conjunction here. As, if, since, though, although, as if, no sooner than dash, hardly, had, when, not only, but also. But the uses of conjunction you have to know. The use of conjunction you have to know. After reading the passage, if you imagine it connects addition, then you will be use and. Both and, both and. Not only, but also. Neither nor. Neither nor. Either or. After reading the passage, if you have imagined that it adds a connect in addition, you will use and, both and, not only but also, neither nor, either or. For your better understanding, I offer you an example. Both Rohim and Karim can do the sum. Both Rohim and Karim can do the sum. Okay. Now, indicating contrast. After reading the passage, you have to know to contrast, to connect the sentence, that context you will be use whereas. Whereas, though, although, for your better understanding, I offer you example. Though he is poor, he is honest. Okay. Though he is poor, he is honest. Indicating purpose. After reading the passage, if you imagine that it connects a purpose, then you will be use so that, so dash that, list. Okay. List as, mass as many as. Here is example here. He ate as mass rice as he could. He ate as much rice as he could. If indicates a purpose. Okay, dear students, now we discuss list of list of connector and conjunction. Later on, number 2, relative pronoun. Relative pronoun. Relative pronoun means who, which, that, whom. Number 3, relative adverb. Where, when, whenever, why, how, etc. And last of all, result. Result, therefore. So, as a result, thus, that is. Okay. Okay, dear students, we have discussed connector, list of connector. For your better understanding, we will disclose our classes. Thank you very much, and you are safe and sound.